David Hanlin, a young entrepreneur turned full-time day trader. He initially became interested in stocks at 14, but he didn't start trading until 2016. He struggled at first due to lack of capital and emotional maturity, but found success in e-commerce before returning to trading with more capital. Hanlin prefers trading OTC stocks and scams because he understands their agenda and can have more conviction and patience. He emphasized the importance of balancing fundamentals with technical analysis and the need to adapt and make changes as market conditions shift. Hanlin also discusses trade management, risk management, and the importance of staying hungry and disciplined. He encourages traders to take small risks, constantly learn, and build a strong network of traders. Overall, his journey is filled with lessons and experiences that can benefit aspiring traders. David Hanlin was always testing new products and strategies. He mentions that he stumbled upon the trading niche by chance when he started following a trader named George Sharp, who exposed fraud on OTC stocks. Seeing the success of the OTC stock ticker TSMP sparked David's interest in trading OTC stocks, which ultimately became his preferred market to trade in. He explains that everyone has a different trading style and it's important to find what works for them and stick with it. David prefers trading OTC stocks because he can have precise entries and never be negative on his position, which aligns with his risk tolerance and trading personality. He acknowledges that trading large caps doesn't suit him as he tends to get chopped up or have more losses, so he focuses on what he excels in and avoids other setups. He mentions that avoiding large cap trades he had a significant impact on his profitability. David Hanlin prefers trading scams in the stock market. He feels most comfortable trading scams because he believes he understands the agenda behind them, allowing him to have more conviction and patience in his trade. He looks for volume and range in the stocks he trades, but finds it rare to find a combination of both in the OTC market. While he trades both OTC and listed stocks, he mentions that he doesn't prefer sub-penny stocks because it doesn't work well with his trading strategy of cutting losses quickly. He also mentions that he looks for red flags and indicators of scams, such as unnatural price action and connections to previous scam companies through fillings and ownership. Hanlin emphasizes that technical analysis always comes first in his trading, but fundamentals can help solidify his conviction in a trade if the technical align. He mentions that he used to not take risk management seriously, but had a wake-up call when he lost $850,000 in 50 minutes on a trade. Since then, he has implemented a daily maximum loss limit and adjusted to a figure that gives him less wiggle room. He emphasizes the importance of having a maximum stop loss in shares, that he has a specific number in mind where he will exit a trade if it's not going well. Hanlin also talks about the limitations of maximum stop-loss orders on OTC stocks. And after hours of trading, he concludes by highlighting the significance of knowing what to do in certain situations and shares a specific rule he implemented to avoid getting a stock in a trade that may result in significant losses. The importance of adapting and making changes as a trader to avoid making the same mistakes multiple times. He emphasizes that market environments change, and what may work now may not work in the future due to increased competition. Hanlin also shares his personal experience of ignoring market signs and taking a big loss, highlighting the need for recognizing shifting market conditions and adjusting trading strategies accordingly. For traders who have experienced losses or struggle with consistency, Hanlin advises sizing down and proving to oneself that they have an edge before scaling back up. He also emphasizes the significance of sticking to a process, letting winners run, and being disciplined with risk management. The importance of taking a small risk and consistently making profits to recover from losses. He explains that even though beginners may be tempted to use large positions to recover from a hole, it's a dangerous mindset to have. Instead, He recommends sizing down and adding to winners to gradually make profits. Hanlin also discusses the mindset required to be successful in trading or entrepreneurship. He believes that self-drive, discipline, and a passion for the field are crucial. He encourages a trader to do what the average person is not willing to do, such as tracking data, reviewing charts, and studying alt videos. He emphasizes the need to constantly learn and stay open-minded, even for successful traders. He said, staying hungry and never being satisfied with success in order to keep profit as a trader. They suggest finding a balance between recognizing and being grateful for past success, while also striving for more. The speaker believes that success as a trader is subjective and differs for each individual, but ultimately comes down to achieving freedom, whether it be with time or financial freedom. They also discuss the importance of discipline in all areas of life and how it contributes to their success as a trader. Discipline extends beyond trading and includes aspects like fitness and making harder choices that will improve their life in the long run. He does 250 burpees every day without fail. He believes that having this attitude of zero compromise carries over to his trading, particularly in cutting losses. Hanlin also emphasizes that value of having a network of traders to bounce ideas off of, develop new strategies, and provide critical feedback. It helps to gauge market sentiment and provides support during tough times. He credited his network for reminding him that there are still profitable opportunities out there, even when his own strategies may not be working. Finally, Hanlin mentions that people can learn more about him and contact him through his YouTube channel and Twitter, where his handle is the Laptop Legends.